Upgrade your sound game with the Kurdene S8 Wireless Earbuds. Crisp audio, all-day comfort, and seamless connectivity. Perfect for music, calls, and life on the go. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Kurdene S8 Wireless Earbuds. Charging case. Extra ear tips. Charging cable. And user manual. How to wear. Take the earbuds out of the charging case and choose the ear tip size that fits you best. Place them in your ears, rotate for a comfortable fit, and keep the logo upright so the microphone faces your mouth. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. How to pair. Place both earbuds into the charging case to activate them. The red light will turn on, then take them out, and they will automatically power on, connect, and enter pairing mode with red and blue lights flashing. Once paired, one light will turn off while the other keeps flashing. Finally, turn on Bluetooth on your phone, search for S8, and connect. Smart features? Powerful drivers deliver rich, punchy bass with clear mids and crisp highs for an immersive listening experience. Perfect for music lovers, it enhances every beat, making your songs sound more dynamic and energetic. Enjoy hours of uninterrupted listening on a single charge, perfect for daily use and workouts. With the charging case, you get extended playtime so your music lasts all day without worry. Built to resist sweat and water, making it ideal for workouts, running, and outdoor activities. You can use them confidently in rain or intense training sessions without worrying about damage. Delivers quick pairing and a strong, stable connection with minimal dropouts or lag. Enjoy smooth audio streaming and reliable performance whether you're calling or listening to music. Control music, calls, and volume easily with simple tap gestures, no buttons needed. Enjoy a smooth, hassle-free experience with quick access to all essential functions. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Kurdene S8 Wireless Earbuds from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Kurdene S8 Wireless Earbuds. See you at the next one.